Felder FS900KF edge sander and veneer sanding device featuring table height adjustment up to 150mm and table angle adjustments up to 45 degrees. The optional table extension provides support for larger workpieces and can be retrofitted at any time. The two-sided design allows solid wood sanding at the rear and veneer sanding at the front. The easy-to-use control panel features two sanding belt speeds, 8 meters per second or 11 meters per second. The oscillating sanding belt guarantees the perfect streak-free finish. The addition of the optional sanding shaft provides versatile radius sanding functionality. The Felder F48 industrial power feeder is uniquely compatible with the FS900KF, ensuring safe operation and precise results, with a choice of 8 feed speeds to tailor the machine to your exact requirements. The F48 features 4 soft rubber feeder rollers, which guarantee constant feed speed and exact guidance of the workpiece along the fences and machine table. The Felder FS900KF edge sander and veneer sanding device processes edges quickly and easily with consistently brilliant results.